Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and save any TikTok video without watermark on your iPhone. Let's go! So if you go to TikTok here, you will find not all the video have the save video option. This is because the private setting from the owner of the video. So what if you want to download this video to learn from it offline? All you have to do is copy the link, go to Safari, go to this website. You will find the link in the description and paste the link here. Tap on download server 1 and tap on download. Once it's finished, go to Files app, go to download, and you will find your video is here. Tap on share and tap on save video. If you go to Photos app, you will find your video is here. Full resolution without watermark. But guys, don't use someone else's video. Use your own videos. Don't use this for your personal use. Use it only to learn something. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.